Live streaming is a lonely place when you first start out. Most likely, you're gonna be talking to no one for the first few streams. And I know no one dreams of streaming to no one. We want people to watch us do what we love. And when they do finally start watching, we want a way to show our epic live viewer numbers to the world. And Prism Live Studio has a really easy way to do that. Oh, and if you're using OBS, don't worry. I'm gonna show you how to use this in OBS too. Hello, my YouTube friends. If you're a streamer struggling to gain traction, don't lose heart. Every streamer starts out streaming to no one. You just need to chalk it up to paying your dues and learning the ropes. Now, once you do have an audience, let me show you how you can show it off. Okay, so here in Prism, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna click the plus and we're gonna go and select our view counter widget and click OK. And you can name it whatever you want. I'm just gonna click OK. Now there are a whole bunch of different widgets that you can choose from. In each of these widgets, they have detailed settings where you can change things like the font and the text and the color and all that other sort of stuff. Now the widget is going to represent the platform that you stream to. So in this case, I stream to YouTube. You can see that it represents with the little YouTube icon. And if we go into this one, you can see that some of them have different options in detailed settings. This one I can change the background to a bunch of different colors. And I like this little dancing guy down here. I think it's pretty entertaining. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and select that one and place him over here in the bottom right. And we'll move to another scene, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add him into that scene as well. But you can actually create multiple different ones. If you wanna have a different view counter in different scenes, you can just select it and give it a different name instead of adding the existing one. And select a completely different one, put it wherever you want on the screen, and there you go. That's how you do it. But you don't just have to do this in Prism Live Studio, because we can use these counter widgets in OBS as well. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to go ahead and set up a blank scene, and we're just going to add one of these widgets right here in Prism, and we'll just make him bigger, put him in the center here, and then I'm going to turn on the virtual camera. And you might get this little error message. That just means you're not using a virtual camera for Prism in another studio yet, but we're gonna fix that. Then I'm gonna flip over into OBS. I'm gonna click the plus, and I'm gonna go to Video Capture Device here in Sources. And I'm gonna drop this down and select Prism Live Studio. Click OK. You can see we get a black background, but we can fix that by right-clicking on our source and going into the blend mode. And there are a couple that I've seen work pretty well here. The first one is Screen. It basically removes the black background. And the other one that works is Lighten, works pretty good. You can mess around with the blend mode stuff to find one that works the best for you and your background. Once you do that, you have them in your scene. And of course, you can choose any of the other options to put in your scenes as well. So we'll try this one right here. We'll bring it over into our OBS. And we can see that it looks pretty doggone good. We can place it anywhere we want on screen. So you can use these widgets in OBS. Pretty easy, right? If you want to see more about what else you can do with Prism Live Studio, you should check this video out. Big thanks to Prism for sponsoring this video. You can find their links and links to all the other sponsors down below in the description under the heading Sponsors. I couldn't possibly do this without them or you, so thanks. And if you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better live streamer or YouTuber, subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Feyrer Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.